Hey yo, what's goody, y'all? Back there a mess. I'm so sorry. I don't really care, to be honest. Anyways, y'all. Hello. So anyways, this is just gonna be a like get ready with me type of thing. I use the Milk makeup primer on all of like my acne dark spots because they always show through if I don't put a primer. I did the NARS Longwear Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Tahoe. Alright guys, we're gonna do the about me tag because I've never in my life in this whole channel since I've had it since 2017 done the about me tag or like, you know, get to know me, whatever. So we'll start with the first question. The first question for this is what is my name? My name is Sienna, S-I-E-A-N-A. Where am I from? I am from Rochester, New York, upstate New York, black as hell. Maybe I should be repping where I'm from, but I don't know about that. Anyways, I just got some Tarte Shape Tape and I'm gonna highlight. All right, next question is how tall are you? I am, last time I checked, last time I went to the doctor, 5'4", 5'4.5", I was told, but you know. All right, how many siblings do I have? This is an interesting question. I was raised with my brother, Pmel. Then I have an older brother on my dad's side who lives in Alabama. Then I have a little sister that's 7 or 6 right now. We call her Rosy, but her name is Michaela, and she is in Jamaica. So I have 3 siblings. Next question, what are your hobbies? Oh god, I hate when people ask me this. This is like those questions like when you're at work that people ask you and you're like, what the hell do I say to this? Making YouTube videos? I really look crazy. Oh my god, let me put this thing on my head like that. I would say my hobbies are these days not a lot because like I work from home, so I'm really like scrolling on TikTok. I watch tons of YouTube videos. Like I love watching other people's YouTube videos. I watch Netflix, you know, American TV shows. I make videos and I edit them, and I also like shopping. I have a shopping problem, so if anyone doesn't know I have a shopping problem, I have a shopping problem. I also try to work out at least 3 times a week on my Peloton, or 2 times, 3 times. First of all, I need to get some more hobbies. Okay, I've really like dancing, but I feel like I'm gonna get into it, but I have to like start saving money. So until then, but like I like to, you know, dance or whatever you want to call it in my free time. I'm gonna add some Huda Beauty banana bread powder under my eye. Really good powder. Like I don't think I'm gonna go back after this. I don't know what else anyone else would use, but like this is what I use. Anyways, oh damn, I look scary as hell. Oh my fucking god. All right, I'm about to do my eyebrows. This is a very focused part. Y'all ain't gonna see all this, but you know. Yo, I look like the freaking Black Swan right now or something. Like I look like I just got surgery to lift my face. It's kind of scary, actually. Really scary. So next question, you guys, is this your first channel? Like, is this my first channel like making videos on? Yes. Is it my first channel I've ever had in my life and like used to comment on stuff? No. I've had another account before, but I never posted videos to it. What is your channel about? See, that's been the issue for me for the past 5 years. I used to love makeup. I still like doing my makeup, but I'm not as obsessed as I used to be with it. Like it's something I don't necessarily find full enjoyment in, but I also don't know if that contributes to the fact that I work every day and it, you know, like I feel like I'm losing my passions these days, y'all. I don't know. Am I the only one? What I mean is like I feel like all I'm doing is working all the time and I don't have time for the things I actually want to do. To the question though, I would say my channel is a lifestyle, a little bit about my life, beauty, and maybe I really do want to like get back into makeup, like reviewing and stuff. Anyways, lifestyle, beauty, and travel is really what I want to get into on this channel. And I really like collective videos, so like when people have bags or like shoes. So I have that and I can't wait to do videos. I will do them in the future. Who is your target audience? Anybody. Anyone. I don't think I would ever like set like a specific group. Why should anyone subscribe to your channel? I think people should subscribe to my channel because they want to. I have a lot to say. I talk a lot. I feel like I can be slightly relatable and I'd be funny. Like, come on now. Come on now. But yeah, I think people should watch me because I have interesting things to say. I have stuff to talk about and I just need to get more consistent. So my eyebrows do look crusty, but I'm about to clean them up with some concealer, some Tarte Shape Tape. I'll be right back, y'all, after I clean up my eyebrows. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm about to wipe off this bake. It's been on there a little too long, but let's see what it did. Okay, something. It did something. It did something. I put on a lot. I don't usually put on that much, but I don't know. Whatever. Let's get into the next question. All right, it says, where do you see yourself in 5 years and your YouTube channel? So in 5 years, which is very low. Oh my god, I'll be 29. Oh my god. I don't know if I answered. Oh, I skipped that one. How old are you? I am 25 currently. My birthday is on March 12th. So anyways, 5 years. Where do I see myself? I would hope that I am in a happy relationship and possibly, maybe, I'm still debating, I don't know, like in the talks at least of having a kid. Like I want to have a kid by like 29 up until 32, maybe, just at least one. I'm not sure though, who knows, don't hold me to that, okay? And then like career wise, I want to be making more money, travel. I want to have traveled like every place I wanted to travel. And yeah, it's really simple for me. That's it. I really want to get my YouTube channel growing. I really want to get it like bigger. I want a bigger audience. I want people to hear me. I want people to you know, like I want to create a community of people that can relate to the things that I say, and like just, I think it's cool to have that. So like I want my YouTube channel to grow. Like, who wouldn't? Who inspired you to start making videos? It's like a loaded question. First person I would say is Kathleen Lights, but like I go as far back on YouTube to Niga Higa, Kev Jumba, Sophia Chang, To The Nine, Makeup Shayla, Desi, all these people. Oh, Michelle Phan. Oh my god, how could I? Oh my god, how did I almost forget Michelle Phan? Michelle Phan is like the top one. Is there anyone I'm forgetting? I most definitely am forgetting some people, but I remember like Niga Higa and like Kev Jumbo were like my dudes back then. Like I love them, and I really like To The Nines and their styling, and like I really loved Kathleen Lights and some other people, but I can't think right now. But there you go. I guess well, actually, that was like one of your favorite YouTubers. I guess I could change that now, but what inspired you to make videos? I would say people, but also like I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel since like 2010, and yeah, and so I made it in 2017 when I was a junior in college, and I just did it on my phone. I was just like, just do this shit, girl, and I did it. I did the damn thing. I'm about to use a Too Faced Souffle bronzer on my face and contour. Favorite YouTubers at the moment. I love watching Aaliyah's Face. Aaliyah's Face is one of my favorites right now. Like I love her. Actually, let me look because I'm gonna forget. Watch. Oh, I always loved Glamorous, her. She's always been a fave. Like she's just like real. Like I love her. Goddamn, I watch too many people. I can't name all these people. How much time do you spend on YouTube every day? I would say in terms of watching people, I watch a lot. It's like my main source of entertainment. So probably like minimum 3 hours a day. Like, it just passes by. Like it just passes by when you're on your phone and your shit. Do you watch your favorite program regularly on YouTube? What the hell does that mean? Yes, I guess. We're talking about genres. I really like commentaries these days. Like there's this other girl I follow. I love watching her videos, and she talks about like beauty standards, and they just talk about like how like the BBL epidemic or whatever. Oh, it's Keisha. I forgot her too. It's Keisha. I like watching her as well. She's good with commentary. I love watching vlogs, but specifically Aaliyah's Face. It's Judy's time. I don't know if anyone knows her, but like it's Judy's life now, but like I used to watch her all the time. What does your username mean? So my username is Sincerely C. The reason I chose Sincerely C is because it's easier for people that work with me not to find me. It's easier for people not to find my YouTube channel. That was really it, y'all. It was like, it has a ring to it, Sincerely C. I would love to use my name because I love my name. Like I love my name. It's spelled different. It's beautiful. It's nice. No one really has it, at least spelled like that. But I don't want people finding my channel, so we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm about to put my Miamis on. and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I got my lashes on. Let's get into the next question. Best thing about YouTube. Best thing about YouTube is the variety of things you can find. I want to look up something or how to fix something. I can find that in like 2 seconds. It's insane. Like, bada boom, bada bing, boop, boop, boop. Okay, I get that shit done. You can literally find everything that you want on YouTube, and I specifically love it for my K-pop videos. Worst thing about YouTube, I don't really have anything. I guess it's just that it could be addicting and you can waste a lot of time on it. But other than that, like, I don't have anything bad to say. Oh, how did I forget to talk about Emma Chamberlain? Like, love that girl. Oh my god, she's one of my favorite YouTubers too. Which software do you use for video editing? Final Cut Pro. That's why I got my new MacBook. I'm gonna clean up under this bronzer real quick. Which camera do you use to record? I use 2 cameras depending on what I'm doing. They're both called G something. One is a Panasonic, so the one I'm using right now is my Panasonic G7. The X, I believe. The other one I use is my Canon vlog camera G7 I think as well. I have it in my description, so yeah, those are 2 cameras I use. One's a vlogging camera, one's like a regular standard camera. What are your goals when it comes to YouTube? Just to grow, make content I really enjoy, and share with people. Those are my biggest goals when it comes to YouTube. Have you ever met anyone from YouTube in real life? Not yet. Not really, no. Oh, I saw Jeff Wittick, bro. This is crazy. It was in March, so before all that crazy shit happened and the, his accident that we knew about. I had went to New York, LA for a trip. I'm gonna use the Dior blush. This is in 001 pink. But anyways, what I was saying is I went to LA and I was walking the Walk of Fame, like where the people's stars are and stuff. And I could have swore I saw him. I was like, nah. But then he got closer and I was like, yo, that's Jeff Wittick. But I didn't go up to him, but yo, yeah, that was him. He fine. So didn't say anything because he was kind of too far, to be honest, at that point, because I most definitely would have said something. But yeah, and if only I knew what that boy was going through, because holy shit, like I said, this was before that whole shit with his accident came out. So how often will you upload videos for your viewers? Currently I want to do every Thursday. I'll start small and then I want to do like eventually 2, maybe like 1 on Saturday, but for now just Thursdays is the schedule that I want to maintain for now. Does your family friends support you in making videos? I would say yes. My friends and my family do. Specifically, not a lot of my family, to be honest, more of my friends. Any advice for new YouTubers? Advice I would give is stop with the excuses. Stop with the excuses right now, okay? This is Glossier Lash Slick. I'm putting it on my bottom lashes. I have another powder I need to put on. It's this Dragun Beauty, this yellow under my eye, just to brighten it some more. Anyways, advice for people that are new to YouTube. I would say don't come up with excuses. It's something I constantly did up from 2010 when I really wanted to make one, up until 2017. Constantly excuses. It's like, oh, I'll do it at this time when I get this goal, when I get this apartment, when I get this job, I'll do it. And then all of a sudden years are spending and passing you by, y'all. Let me tell you, we don't get any younger every year. We get older. You're the youngest you'll ever be right now. And if there's something that you want to do it. In 2017, I really wanted to make videos and post them, especially since I was in college, and I got my phone, saw that I had 180p and 4K, and I had a MacBook at the time, but you don't need a MacBook. They have iMovie on your phone, and like, make that shit happen. You want to learn how to make a thumbnail? Look it up. You want to learn how to edit a video? Look it up. YouTube tells you everything at this point. There is no excuse for anything. Everyone has a phone. Everyone has something that they can talk about, and it's just like, it's 2021, okay? About to be 2022. So if there's something that you enjoy, something you really want to do, especially when it comes to YouTube, just do it, like Nike said. And be consistent, because the one thing I'll say about myself is when I started, I was kind of consistent. One of my videos did blow up, yo. Blow up, I'm being OD. It got like 10,000 views, which is my most views on a video. It was a lot. I was shocked. It was like an Ipsy unboxing. And you never know which video will go up. I did not think that one was going to, but it did. So just be consistent, and yeah, that's my biggest thing. We're gonna do small questions at this point, since that's the last question for the tag that I saw. My sign is a Pisces. So I don't know what lip I'm about to do, but I don't want to do anything crazy. This, no, not this. Ooh, maybe I should do a dark lip. That sounds fun, right? All right, y'all, I'm about to do something I didn't really think I was gonna do, but I'm gonna do a dark lip and pray to Jesus that this looks good, please God. This is going to be the Kylie Lip Kit in Leo. I'm about to put on my lips. It's really dark. Pray for me. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared. I ain't gonna lie. There is the lip, y'all. What do y'all think? It's very pretty. I think it's a little patchy in the inside, but nothing too crazy, but really pretty. Let me set my face. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter because I need this shit this day. I love this lip. It's very vampy. I'm going to curl my lashes real quick together, fuse them. But this is the makeup look, you guys. I love it, actually. I'm like really happy with it. Like, ooh, this has been a long time. I don't think I've been like this, like, wow, my makeup looks really cute in like a long time. Very makeup-y, but it looks great. It looks great. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna do my hair and I will be back to show you guys the final product. I look crazy. But what we're about to do is make my favorite bun as of right now. So I am going to do this hairstyle I've been doing anytime my hair looks like this. So just brushing out any of the hairspray from last time I did this. You got it combed out. Now what we're gonna do is get a middle part. So make this middle part. And there we go. Once you get that middle part, you're gonna brush all the hair down, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna start pushing it back. The most important thing for me that I've never used before, I always wonder how people got slick hair and all that. It has got to be. It has got to be. I don't know why I ever questioned it. Anyways, brush your hair back but maintain this middle part. Okay, y'all? You just want to go like a swoop. You don't want to go back, you want to do a swoop. Now I want to get my hair up a little bit to like here in the back. What I'm basically doing is I'm constantly just bringing it up, but trying not to mess with my part and everything. That's what I've done. That's what I've done. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this really quick. This is kind of the messy way of how it's gonna look, but we're about to smooth down the side. So I get my Got2b, and I'm just going to spray it, at least on just this side. Have like this type of brush. I don't know what you call this brush. I don't know. It's a brush, and smooth that shit down. Add as much as you think. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Basically same thing. This is the best hairstyle I've ever learned, y'all, literally. And then it's gonna do that. And now I'm gonna take it out of the ponytail one more time. I need to smooth out the back as well. I'm still new to this, so I ain't a pro at this hairstyle. You know, I'll be learning to make it work. Now you're gonna get that brush again. Boop. It's all about brushing and then smoothing with your hand. You want to mold that hair down. My hair is short, so no matter what, I'm gonna have to like pin it back in the back. Now I have to do this ponytail again because I messed up a little bit. To be honest, it kind of looked cute like that, but that's not how I want the bun to be. Okay, so I'm gonna make a ponytail, like a little actual ponytail. Okay, there's my ponytail, and then I'm gonna twist it into a bun like this. It's gonna be a very small bun because I don't have a lot of hair. And then I'm gonna grab a hair tie, wrap around 2 times, get these little pieces I like to try to have out, and it should look something like this. And now I'm just gonna clean it up. I'm gonna put some of these bobby pins in the back just so my hair doesn't like, stick out because it's short back there. And now basically the rest is just finessing my edges. Okay. Okay. Do this little piece right here. And this is my hairstyle. I look so cute. I gotta say, I look mad cute. Like, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This about me tag, how I do my hair, how I did my makeup. If you guys want to see any other types of videos like this in the future, please let me know, and I would love to do them. I'm about to head out with my friends to bowling. I'll probably have like a vlog on it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.